Hi, I'm Nikki, and today we're going to be teaching in the whiteboard on my smartboard and a ViewSonic display.
All right, I've got a whiteboard here. I like that one.
Perfect.
Okay.
Let's try video.
Get that one.
Good.
Oh, I like. An activity, let's go here.
Do this.
Okay. Let's see, bananas, making change here. And that would be $1.68 a bunch. Oh, $2. So let's make some change.
Yes, maybe we'll just, okay.
$1.69.
Play it.
Play a few seconds here.
Okay,
$1.75.
now let's make another activity for our students. You want to add another page?
Yeah, add a page.
Wait, all right, there we go.
Okay.
Let's start searching for some coins. Got a quarter.
All right, I'm going to just resize this
Resize
down
it.
a little bit. Can you do a dime?
Perfect.
The dime is right there.
Oops. Oh, I think you just have to click away first.
Okay, there's my dime. Okay, nickel.
Let's do a nickel.
There's
There we
one.
go. Bring it down.
Okay.
And then now we need a penny.
That one? Is that
Yeah,
okay?
that's fine. Yeah.
All right, let's make it
Or pull it down.
the right size. Okay,
All right.
now let's go making change.
Let's do select a copy. Oops. I'm gonna clone all these guys. I'm gonna do that last one. All right, now we can go ahead. All
Okay.
right, what's our problem here?
We're gonna do bananas. And we're gonna make change. Bananas are $1.68. And we need to make change from $2. So, you drag some coins there and we'll count up. You can use the back of your pen, I think. So it'd be $1.69. $1.70. $1.75, and I'll do this
Do
one.
the quarter.
$2.
All right.
Nice
we did.
job, Nikki.